everyone! Today, let us cook monggo or mung. And we are going to mix it with rice noodles or sotanghon. You can buy it in any Chinese store or Filipino things we need. Cumin or zira powder, one small piece of onion, water, salt for taste, and of course, water. So let us start. Wash the mung or monggo for 5 times, or it depends on you, until the water gets clear or the mung gets clean. Now, it's since the mongo or mung takes time to be cooked, we need lots of water, and I'm gonna make it half of the cooking pot, just to make sure that we have enough water until the mung or mongo is cooked. Now it's ready, so let us bring it to the gas stove. But before turning on the fire or the flame, let us add salt, and let us add 1 teaspoon of salt, but it still depends on how much do you want it to be salty. And then the red chili powder. This is optional. If you don't want spicy food, then you can just skip these ingredients. Alright, and then mix all the ingredients together. Mix it nicely so that it will make the taste nice. Then after that, let us cover it and let it be cook or boil it for 1 hour or more until the mongo. Let us prepare the noodles or the sotanghon. Before cutting the sotanghon or the rice noodles, we have to make it wet or wash it. Alright, just like that, so it will be easy to cut. Because if you don't make it wet, it will be so hard for you to cut the noodles. And we have to cut the noodles so that it will not be hard for us to eat with the monggo. Alright, so just like that. After that, or after preparing or cutting the noodles, let us check the monggo. Now it's ready after 1 hour and 15 minutes. It's almost done. Let us wash the sotanghon or the noodles, and then add it up on the mongo gradually. Alright, just like that. And then after that, let us cover it and let it boil for another 5 minutes for the noodles to be cooked. Alright, so while boiling it, let us prepare the onion. We need here 2 tablespoons of oil. Alright, then fry the onion until it gets golden brown. Once it's done, let us transfer it to the mung. Let us transfer it to the cooked mung or mongo. Spread it on top of it, then garnish with garam masala. Garam masala is made of cumin or zira powder. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and click that bell or the notification bell for you to be notified for my future videos.